Welcome to the Evangelical Eddie channel. Wanted to give an update on John MacArthur's health. So a couple of weeks ago, Steve Lawson from MacArthur's church spoke from the pulpit that John MacArthur wasn't preaching and that he was getting a procedure done.
John MacArthur, who is now 85 years old, and will have a procedure this week.
It sounds like he was having an aortic valve replaced. So it sounds like he's recovering. So continue praying for him. But sounds very serious. So let's keep him in our prayers. You know, he's probably around 85 years old now. So these types of procedures are a little harder on the body when you're at that age. But we know he's in God's hands, and that's what's important.
Well, thank you for praying for our pastor. On Monday, he had a new aortic valve installed, and the procedure was very successful. Yes, praise the Lord. He's recovering at home. He'll be there for a few weeks. He is thankful to you for your affection and for your prayers.
And we need to be reminded and comforted by the fact that his life is in the hands of a sovereign God.